Hey Chris, I'm going to show you how you can easily use your H5Ps in your course. I don't know if you have done this or not, so I'm just showing you what I do. So for any assignment or discussion or page, whichever, you're going to edit it first. So click on edit, and then you're going to click on this little blue guy here, and then you're going to select your H5P interactive content. And I hope you can still see this because now my screen looks funny. So I've already added it in my interactive content here under critical care management, and I just gave you access to my class. So I think you can just take it from my class now and use it, but I'll show you another way to do it. So what you would do is in here, wherever in your content you want to add it, I'm going to add it into this folder since it's already there. But I'm going to say add content, and then I'm going to say upload because I already have the file, and so then I'm going to upload a file, and then I just go to where I saved it, which I saved it on my computer right here, and then just click open, and then click use. And it's thinking. And then go ahead and hit save and insert. Okay, now that put it directly into this assignment, which is a discussion. But then you save, and there it is. So with any H5P file, once you have it, you can upload it into your Canvas course by going into this little guy. And so any H5Ps that I've been making now, I haven't got them all over, but I'm trying to create files for them and putting them directly in my class so I don't lose my links from that H5P website. So I hope that answers your question, but feel free to email me or whatever if you have more questions or if there's something else I can do for you. I am more than happy to keep making these, so just throw content my way and I'll try to do stuff.